fighting that old floppy range bag. Welcome to the next level.
The Condition 1 16-inch triple pistol case. Never leave home without your hearing protection. The Mantis X10. It's a game changer. Shot timer. And then we got some goodies up here for just quick, field strip, clean, depending on what you're doing out here. Got a little multi-tool, bore snake, some lube, ready to go. And it Velcros right to the top, just like that. These are all full-size SIG P322, Bear Creek Arsenal Grizzly, Springfield Prodigy. These are made in the USA, waterproof, and TSA compliant. What else could you ask for? Since we're here, let's shoot some stuff.